Welcome back, everyone. Last week we learned what Python is and why it's such an amazing language to learn. This week, we're diving into the building blocks of programming, data types, and variables. Everything in programming is data, but not all data is the same. And that's where data types come in. A data type is simply how we classify different kinds of information so the computer knows what to do with it. There are four main ones you need to know. First, integers, or int for short. These are whole numbers like 3, 100, or -7, no decimals. Second, strings, or startire. Strings are text. Anything in quotes like hello or Python is awesome is a string. Third, booleans, or bool. These are the simplest data type. They can only be one of two things, true or false. And fourth, floats. These are decimal numbers like 3.14 or 2.5. You might be wondering, why does it matter what kind of data we have? Great question. Imagine trying to divide the word apple by the number 5.3. That makes zero sense, right? The computer feels the same way. Data types help the computer compare and work with information correctly. You can only compare things that are the same type. That's why understanding them is so important. Now, what if you want to save a value and use it again later? That's where variables come in. Think of a variable like a box. You put something inside, give the box a name, and whenever you need what's inside, you just call the box by its name. For example, if you write age equals 12, you've created a box called age and stored the number 12 inside it. Anytime your program needs that value, just use the word age. A couple of important rules. Variable names are case-sensitive, meaning age and age are two completely different boxes. And no spaces in variable names. Now it's your turn. Try printing the product of 3 and 10. Then try the sum of 3.5 and 2.0. And for a challenge, see if you can combine the strings red and wood to print out redwood. Data types and variables are the foundation of everything we'll build from here. Master these and the rest of Python starts to click. See you next week.